Bitcoin. The word alone sparks curiosity, excitement, and for some, a touch of apprehension. Since its mysterious arrival in 2009, Bitcoin has gone from a niche experiment to a global phenomenon. It's digital gold, a decentralized currency, and a revolutionary technology all rolled into one. But more than that, Bitcoin represents a financial opportunity, a chance to take control of your money and potentially generate wealth in the digital age. In 2025, Bitcoin is no longer a novelty. It's a mature asset, a well-established player on the world's financial stage. But its potential for growth remains immense. As more people and institutions recognize the power of decentralized finance, the demand for Bitcoin continues to rise, pushing its value upwards. This creates exciting opportunities for individuals to capitalize on its growth and secure their financial future. The beauty of Bitcoin lies in its accessibility. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz or a tech genius to participate. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, there are numerous ways to engage with the world of Bitcoin and potentially profit from its journey. This essay will explore the various strategies for making money with Bitcoin in 2025, from traditional methods like trading and holding to emerging trends like DeFi and Lightning Network payments. We'll break down complex concepts into simple terms, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the exciting world of Bitcoin. Let's start with the basics. The most straightforward way to make money with Bitcoin is through trading. Just like traditional currencies, the price of Bitcoin fluctuates based on supply and demand. Buy Bitcoin when the price is low, and sell it when the price is high. The difference is your profit. Another popular strategy is holding, often referred to as hodling in the Bitcoin community. This long-term approach involves buying Bitcoin and holding onto it for an extended period, ignoring the short-term price swings. The idea is that Bitcoin's value will continue to rise over time, leading to significant profits in the future. While trading and holding are accessible entry points, Bitcoin offers more advanced ways to potentially multiply your holdings. Mining, the process of verifying and adding transactions to the Bitcoin blockchain, can be profitable, although it requires technical expertise and significant computing power. Finally, you can earn interest on your Bitcoin through various platforms and services. These platforms allow you to lend your Bitcoin to borrowers and earn interest payments, providing a passive income stream from your holdings. As Bitcoin matures, new trends and technologies are emerging, creating even more opportunities for profit. One such trend is decentralized finance, or DeFi. Built on the Bitcoin blockchain, DeFi aims to revolutionize traditional financial services by offering decentralized alternatives. Another exciting development is the Lightning Network, a Layer 2 payment protocol built on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. The Lightning Network enables near-instantaneous, low-cost Bitcoin transactions, opening up a world of possibilities for micropayments, remittances, and more. These new technologies are not just buzzwords, they're actively being integrated into everyday life. From Bitcoin ATMs and payment gateways to innovative DeFi applications and Lightning Network-powered services, the Bitcoin ecosystem is constantly evolving, creating new avenues for financial empowerment. Making money with Bitcoin in 2025 and beyond is not just about understanding the technology, it's about embracing the philosophy behind it. Bitcoin represents financial freedom, individual sovereignty, and a move away from centralized control. Before you embark on your Bitcoin journey, remember that all investments carry risks. Educate yourself thoroughly, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Utilize reputable exchanges and platforms, and stay informed about the latest developments in the Bitcoin space. The world of Bitcoin is vast and ever-changing. There are countless resources available online and offline to guide you on your journey. Join online communities, attend conferences, and connect with fellow Bitcoin enthusiasts to learn from their experiences and insights. The future of finance is here, and it's decentralized. Take the first step, explore the possibilities, and unlock your financial potential with Bitcoin.